Welcome back to the channel, guys, and in this video we will be applying a rear trunk spoiler to this E90. I took the perfect timing. As you can see, it's starting to rain a little bit. Hopefully that won't interrupt, as I have this M4 Look rear trunk spoiler. It will go right under and I think it should look real nice. Also thinking about the rear bumper in M, so it would have that black diffuser underneath it. That will add some more black details on the car and just blend in better with the spoiler. So that's something to be shown in the future videos, but now let's just get started with this one. It was painted in black 475 color with a little bit of sparkles inside of there. You can see on the light it's a bit sparkly. Yeah, perfect timing. Just the moment I decide to go and do some work on the car, this happens. Well, seems like rain's over. We can start with applying the spoiler. Also, the car will look a little bit better since it's wet now. First thing, I will obviously wipe it out to make sure the surface is dry before I try to apply it. Okay, now the surface is dry and we can start by measuring in the spoiler. Okay, so what we do is we find the gap that is good for us. Make sure it's the same on both sides and then use some tape to tape it down to the trunk so we can lift it. Apply the adhesive, clean it up, and then lift back up and it will be sticking. That's how you catch out the perfect measurement. So I'll just do that now. To make the spoiler stick, we will use this double-sided adhesive tape. This is 3M tape. You can try and search it in your country. I bought it locally from a local car part shop. So it comes with a double-sided adhesive tape, also the surface cleaner. It's based on alcohol, and after you clean it, then you use this primer. So this primer is just used to make sure adhesive is sticking better than it would regularly do on the surface. It's like an extra activator for the adhesive glue. That's the final result with the rear trunk spoiler applied, and we gave it a little clean. Gaps are looking pretty fine. It's like 0.3 millimeters both sides. Okay, so if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.